Today I'm gonna show you how to create an Italian Brainrot. First thing you need to do is you go to ChatGPT, then type create and whatever animal you want with whatever object you want. Mine's getting started right now.
सबसे पहले मैं इसको पकड़ाऊंगी कि he is harassing me. He is coming here because of social media. और फिर मैं सारे messages दिखाऊंगी. The way he started saying me I love you.
This is gonna take a while for me. Yeah. Video to my what? To my I don't know. To my I don't know. I see it downloaded, so now we're ready to head on to CapCut. Add the line photo first. And then let's make the aspect ratio 1:1. Actually, let's make it 9:16. Now we can add the audio.
Little mailbox it no. Questo piccolo leone.
Remove the ending. Make the image longer. Now add some animation.
कभी-कभी ना आपको वो शो करना पड़ता है कि हाँ मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ जो तुम कह रहे हो वो किया है.
Add some animation to the image, and the section you should be in is in. I recommend you selecting rotate or fade in. Make this seconds at least to 2.5.
Little mailbox it no. Questo little mailbox it no. Questo
Now go to effects, then click on video effects. Look for explosion. I recommend you selecting the first one.
Leolito mailbox it no. Questo piccolo leone.
इनसे जान छुड़ाना हाँ
Leolito mailbox it no. Questo piccolo leone.
शहरी गेस्ट हो गया
Leolito mailbox it no. Questo piccolo.
Now go to the FX video. Then enlarge it a little bit. What I mean is enlarge it to here, at least.
अब नहीं करती
The end, from here to the end of the video.
मेरे शेर की शक्ति छीन लो मैं सही कह रही हूँ शेर की शक्ति छीन लो नहीं करती
Now you need to export it. And now I think you need to post it on YouTube or something. I need to log into my official account still.
I was at the park.
Now
and
you can
someone
post
did
it
this
onto
to my
YouTube.
headscarf. I know what you want. I know.
जवेद भाई बस ठीक है अभी एक माह इसको ठंडा होने दो फिर दूसरा भी पकड़ लेंगे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आप देखो तो सही हम मौत बन के खेलेंगे टिकटॉक